How to choose the best imputation method for missing Python data. Have you ever faced the challenge of missing data in your analysis? It can be tricky, but fear not. Today, we will discuss how to choose the best imputation method for missing values in Python, particularly when using Pandas for data wrangling. First, it is essential to understand the type of missing data you are dealing with. There are three main types: missing completely at random, and missing not at random. Each type has different implications for how you should handle the missing values. Next, consider the data type of the feature with missing values. Is it numerical, like age or income? Or is it categorical, such as gender or color? The type of data will influence your choice of imputation method. Let's look at some common imputation methods. Mean imputation is a straightforward approach where you replace missing numerical values with the mean of the available data in that column. While this method is simple, it can introduce bias if many values are missing or if the data is skewed. For categorical data, mode imputation is often used. This method replaces missing values with the most frequent category. It works well for categorical features but may reduce variability in your dataset. If you are working with time series or sequential data, forward fill or backward fill might be your best options. These methods propagate the last known value forward or the next known value backward, which respects the temporal order of the data. Another option is regression imputation, where you predict missing values using regression models based on other features. This method can be more accurate but requires building and validating models. K-nearest neighbors imputation is another method that uses values from similar rows to estimate missing values. This approach can be effective when similar patterns exist, but it is more computationally intensive. For those who want to account for uncertainty, multiple imputation is a robust choice. This method generates several imputed datasets using different assumptions, analyzes each, and combines the results. It is complex and resource-intensive but can provide a more comprehensive view of the data. When working with Pandas, remember that missing values can propagate through operations. Therefore, handling them before analysis is vital. Pandas offers functions like fillna for simple imputations, which can help you fill in missing values quickly. To choose the best method, consider the following guidelines. If you have a small amount of missing data in numerical columns, mean imputation is a quick start. For categorical data, mode imputation is effective. For time series data, forward or backward fill respects the order of the data. If strong relationships exist between features, regression or k-nearest neighbors imputation can improve accuracy. For critical analyses where uncertainty matters, multiple imputation is preferred. Always evaluate the results of your imputation. Check how they affect data distribution and model performance. Avoid methods that might introduce bias or distort relationships in your data. By carefully assessing your data type, the pattern of missingness, and your analysis needs, you can effectively fill in those missing values and keep your analysis on track.